Hi, I'm Brian Driscoll. I'm the Vice President and Chief Operating Officer here at FICO Green Valley Pecan Company. My career started with FICO back in 2009. I was the farm manager for our San Simon operation, and in 2019 I was asked to be the General Manager of Farming Operations, which included our farms in Albany, Georgia, San Simon, Sahuarita, and Green Valley, Arizona. I grew up in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and I attended New Mexico State University and graduated with a BS in agriculture biology in 1990. Prior to FICO, I worked in international regulatory operations with the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Later I moved on to Pace Foods, Campbell Soup Company, and then on to management positions within the green chili and red chili processing industry. As a company, we will aspire to be the best in our industry. As a premium supplier to our customers, an example in our community, a highly desirable employer, and responsible with our environment and managing our sustainable use of our natural resources. I believe that my background and passion for agriculture could be important contributors to our success. But most importantly, it is the commitment shown by our team members at all levels who will get us there, and will do everything necessary to keep the commitment present. Finally, I would like to thank my wife Penny, my daughter Michaela, and son Tyler, and all of you for the overwhelming support that I've received. Please know that I'm always available to discuss new thoughts and ideas, and look forward to the challenges that lie ahead. Thank you.